This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to delete a folder in GitLab. If you're working on a project and need to tidy things up or remove unnecessary files, deleting a folder can be a straightforward task. Let's dive in and walk through the entire process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific project in your GitLab repository where the folder you wish to delete is located. Make sure you're logged into your GitLab account and have access to the project. Once you're in the project dashboard, browse through the file structure to locate the folder you want to remove. This part of the process is crucial, as you need to ensure you're working within the right project and targeting the correct folder. Now, when you've found the folder, it's time to take action. You have two options here, depending on how you prefer to interact with the interface. You can either right-click directly on the folder name, which will bring up a context menu, or, if you prefer using icons, you might see 3 dots next to the folder name. Clicking these 3 dots will also reveal a menu. In both cases, look for the option labeled Delete and select it. This step is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check that you're selecting the right folder to avoid any accidental deletions. After choosing to delete the folder, take a moment to review the sidebar. This is a good practice to ensure that the folder and all of its contents are indeed marked for removal. You should see the folder listed along with all its files, confirming that they're queued for deletion. This step is an excellent opportunity to catch any mistakes before proceeding, as it provides a visual confirmation of what's about to be removed. Next, locate the source control icon. It's represented by a branch symbol and can be found on the far left sidebar of your GitLab interface. Clicking this icon will take you to a section where you can manage your commits. This icon is your gateway to pushing changes, so it's important to recognize it as part of the regular GitLab workflow. With the source control panel open, you'll need to write a commit message. This message is vital for keeping track of changes in your project. It can be simple, such as deleted unused folder, but it should be descriptive enough to understand the action taken without needing to dig deeper into the history later. Clear commit messages are a key component of good version control practices, making it easier for you and your team to understand the project's evolution over time. Finally, click the Commit To button. This step finalizes the deletion process, applying the changes to your current branch. Make sure you're committing to the correct branch, especially if you're working in a collaborative environment, to avoid any conflicts or confusion. Once you click this button, the folder and its contents are officially removed from your project, helping you maintain a clean and organized repository. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a folder in GitLab. Remember, keeping your project organized is essential for efficient collaboration and management. By following these steps, you can ensure that your GitLab repositories remain tidy and up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.